Fineco AI PV-Direct DC inverter heat pump uses advanced MPPT technology. The heat pump connects directly to solar panels. No inverter or batteries needed, prioritizes using solar DC power and automatically switches to grid power when sunlight is low. Saves up to 60% energy compared to traditional heat pumps. Precise temperature control. The outlet water temperature can be adjusted automatically according to outdoor ambient temperature, provides hot water, room heating and cooling. The system is equipped with intelligent control chip which can achieve remote control, software updates remotely, centralized control, external heat source integration, full DC inverter and low temperature EV enhanced vapor injection tech ensures strong, efficient heating even at low temperatures.